Okay, this is supposed to be the Complete Control Micro 32, M32. So let's see what is in here. Let's see what's in here. This box looks pretty small to be a 32-inch, or not 32 keyboard. So let's see what's actually in here. Uh-oh. This is something completely different.
Is that Valentine's Day gift?
Hold on, guys. This is Native Instruments Maschine Mikro.
That's not my Valentine's gift.
Hold up. Yo. Yo. My girl wants to see it. It's a drum pad.
That's fun. Ding, 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 ding.
It was supposed to be a keyboard, but yes, look at that. I mean, look. That's the only thing we're unboxing today. A lot more came in. I really wanted to do the chair first so I could be sitting in the chair right now, but that's okay. I really wanted to see this. It is really cool.
No one else is there.
What else?
Go to bed.
We're going to bed now. Oh, it's been a long week. Have not even gotten a chance to mess with any of this stuff this week. My chair is actually here. My girl and I are gonna unbox that stuff later. But for now, I'm going to set up this laptop and register this piece of hardware. So let's get it. I got my little audio interface, Scarlett 2 in 2. Wait, nah, Scarlett Solo. Tripping. Wish it was a 2 in 2. But really, I want to upgrade that eventually anyways. I plan on getting the Audient, I think it's the ID4. It has 2 headphone jacks. So let's say I was recording somebody, I could listen to it and they could listen to themselves because it's got 2 headphone jacks instead of just 1. So that's the main reason why I like that one. Aside from that, the Audient ID4 comes with certain software that I'd really like to get my hands on, you know? We all have those pieces of software we like to get our hands on.
Take it down.
Another thing we'll
Take
be
it
doing
down.
today.
We need it going.
Let me see if I can rig something up real quick to block the glare. I'm definitely gonna need a hub, a USB hub, because I already just plugging in these few things is using up the ports. It's the one thing I don't like about this laptop. It does not have a lot of ports. So that's it for this week's vlog, guys. The video does end kind of abruptly. Been having a few issues with my recordings as far as just having enough space and things like that. But I'm working on getting that situated. As you guys can see, I got a lot more going on in here now. I like my setup, man. I'm loving the setup. Man, I got a lot more coming. I know that the videos are coming kind of slow right now. Pretty soon we're gonna get to some exciting stuff. The purpose of this vlogs is just really to document my journey, so that's why I'm not skipping over stuff. I'm really trying to share everything with you guys in sequence, and a lot happened at one time, so I'm a little bit behind on my footage and everything, so I don't really have a lot of time. I'm working 7 days a week and I'm editing everything myself, putting all these clips together, trying to upload and keep you guys up with it, while at the same time trying to cook beats and stuff as well. But more stuff coming soon. As soon as we get through all of the setup and stuff, all the exciting things are coming, all the music production and everything I've been learning, all the tips, all that is coming. So thank you guys for staying tuned with me. Thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel and watching my videos and sharing them, liking them, subscribing, commenting. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it.